So boss, how is everything?
Seems like everything's going good, man.
Okay, good.
I'm so rich. What's up?
Yeah, we're so rich.
Alright. What is this up here?
You imagine I want to go on up the road?
You know, so we have a construction worker going up here, so.
Construction work.
Yes.
So we can't go look.
Sir, you can't look, you know, because construction work is happening up there.
So is that bad?
It's very bad. It's a lot of cement up there in the road. They cannot pass. You have to wait a bit.
You have to go a minute. So how long the must take?
Next 5 minutes, let's go and wall off the one.
The next 5 minutes. So next 5 minutes, man, you can't just go on before 5 minutes, man.
You
have to go home.
Wait little. Nah,
Sir,
no
you
patient.
have to wait. Look, you don't see?
No, man.
You can't read? You can't read? Caution. So go back in the car and he's
Oh, man.
I want to go on there, so.
So we're going for bossy.
Where me where going for? Are
Just
you
lift up the seat now, brother. We can go through now.
Just wait, just put on the gun.
Me business, man.
Please, may I beg you. Because
Come on, we have to go, we have to go, we have to go now.
Please, may I beg you. Please.
We have to go.
Please.
Oh, where they go?
Please, please, please.
Go on, move.
Please. Good on. Good on.
Run this.
Yo.
I saw no.
Yo.
And stick up people, brother.
Come on, take it.
You know who you talk to?
And the president there.
You know we are dealing.
Hey, bring the move here.
Yo, me kill her, you know. A big gun this man a carry, you know. Yo, put on that.
Alright.
Boss, me sorry.
Yo,
Boss.
tap it nice, go.
Me sorry.
Boss, I'm not get
Me
caught.
sorry.
Yo, send them away.
What you do, man? If you do something, you do it, you know.
Where you come from?
Stay there, so don't move. Not like you step to me. You know.
Boss, we sorry.
No worry yourself. You hear me I say?
Yo,
Just
go on,
tell me what I say. Yo,
Yo,
just go and make a place to move forward.
Alright.
I'm too forward,
We
you know.
sorry.
Wow. What kind of ambush this?
Right. Don't fuck my flower if I can't run. Can't run fast and go to it.
So, listen, man. If money you don't want, tell me, you know. If money you don't want, you don't get money, you know. If money you don't want, you don't get money, you know. That's not telling you, you know.
I will try
Who
again.
pay you? How much them pay you?
So.
I wait.
You say who pay you, brother? How much them pay you, no? You pay you, you know. More than what am I giving you, you know.
Talking I want, man.
I know I'm out, yo.
Yo,
How much you don't want?
You don't say I'm too hard.